gentlemen, welcome back to the 1961 Chevrolet build. We're finally able to get started on working on her. As you can see, she's sitting here doing her thing. I had to get some new lug studs because we sheared a couple of them off, so we just have 4 on here right now because this is not going to be the permanent wheel. This was just to get it rolled off the trailer in the backyard. But for today, I have pulled the hood latch off. It was right here. Pulled that off. We got the rad out. I'll show you the rad. It's just chilling right there. If the camera will focus. There it is. Just chilling. So I got the rad pulled out, and I'm not sure if we're actually going to be able to save it yet or not, but it'll be interesting. So today, I'm actually going to be working on pulling this old fan off. That's the plan. We're going to pull this fan off today. And I'm also going to be pulling off this heater core. I'm also going to pull that off today. That's the plan. And I'm also going to take off this where the coolant would have gone. Where is it? Coolant would have gone in here through here to the heater core, and then back down through here, and then back up to the rad. I'm going to pull this off today. Lube up some more of the head bolts so that we can take the head off. Because as we can see, you cannot turn this engine by hand, and there's nothing I can put a bolt on. So from what we know, this head is seized, as if I take the valve cover off here. Anything wet in here is because I sprayed it with penetrating lube, but as you can see, the valve cap was, the oil cap was left off, and there is just gunk everywhere in this engine. So like you can down over there, like right back there, you can see it really well. Like it's just packed. It looked like the mice were living here at once. So from our guess, this motor is seized, but I gotta pull the head off to see if it's past the point of repair. If it's not past the point of repair, inline 6 is getting pulled. We're putting something else. If we think we can repair it, I'm going to try and get this old 235 inline 6 fixed and built once more. Get it running just to drive it. So I don't know why we're waiting any longer. I might as well get to work. I'm going to be 100% honest with y'all. Something tells me this engine isn't going to be salvageable. And that something is that. Just look at that. Come on, focus. Look at that. that is where coolant's supposed to come out for the heater core. We'll go back in, and it's just corroded. Like, wow. At least it goes in. That's a plus. Wow. That's not what I was hoping for. But now that I've got the hoses off the heater core, I can pull the heater core off, and I can pull this puppy off. So those are our next goals. Let's get back to work. Alright, well, ladies and gentlemen, looks a lot more empty, don't it? That's because it should. That heater core is off. It is now just a straight shot right into there, into the cab. So now that we got the heater core off, that's really all I have time for the day. I might do a couple small things here and there. Like I might pull the lights out of the hood here and have a look at them, see what setup they are and what they are like. But that's going to do it for this video. If anything else big happens or whatnot, you'll see it in the next video. So if you want to stay tuned and follow the build that I'm going to be doing on this 1961 Chevy Apache 10, remember to come back. I don't know how often I'm going to be uploading for this truck. I am in university, so it's not going to be a very quick build or done anytime soon, but I'm hoping to have it done, at least running, in the next 5 years. Hoping it don't take that long, but I guess depending on what the support for it's like, we'll see. But I hope you enjoyed, and if you enjoyed and you want to see more of this beautiful truck sitting over my shoulder here, come back for the next video. One of the best ways to do that is just subscribe and hit the notification button. Now you don't have to, but if you want to, it'd be much appreciated. Keep me motivated and keep me on the build for this thing. So I'll catch y'all in the next one.